Welcome Puma students, parents, and staff. My name is Kimberly Wilkerson and I am the President of Student Council. We welcome you all to the Vicenza Middle School Quarter 2 Honor Assembly. We are gathered here today to honor and recognize all 150 students who have applied their absolute best efforts in third grades. With 100 of these students on the AB Honor Roll, the Honor Roll, and 50 of these students on the All A Honor Roll, the Principal's Honor Roll. These students have gone above and beyond in their educational well-being and have proven that through their grades. Now please stand for the singing of the National Anthem presented by our Intermediate and Advanced Choir.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Hi, my name is Avia Woodward and I'm president of NJHS. I will now welcome Dr. Smith, our principal here at Vicenza Middle School, who will announce the names of students who continue to be on the Principal Honor Roll and the Honor Roll.
Wow, quarter 2 is in the books. Excellent work from our first semester students. Over 1/2 of our students are on this honor roll list. Okay, so hard work does pay off. For the principal's honor roll, we'll start with the 6th grade. Jackson Bracey, Alexander Brion, Mila Butner, Callie Coleman, Michaela Denton, Bianca Doobie, Allison Esposito, Chaz Exum, Cecilia Fender, Henry Grady, Savion Hughes, Shania Little, Daniel Lohr, Ainsley McLeod, Landon Miguel, Janiyah North, Olivia Parker, Brendan Ruth, Kaylee Shields, Lucas Sestar, Kamaya Stephens, Octavian Volku, Fletcher William, and Brett Woodward. Now for the 7th grade. Dallin DeLapp, Isabel Green, Noe Griffin, Naomi Condez, Sydney Overstreet, Connor Wayne, Kelsey Wayne. And now for the 8th grade. Andrea Rodriguez, Peyton Atkinson, Victoria Bracey, Evan Boltman, Caitlin Burgess, Haley Denton, Jack Finley, Elinka Gordon, Carl Kook, Cecilia Owens, Kaylee Steinley, Malak Tajuddin, Emma Towner, Jack Van Dyke, Kaylee Vibeld, Kimberly Wilkinson, Avia Woodward, and Alton Ziegler. And I want to congratulate all of those students who made the principal's honor roll, meaning all A's. Now for our AB honor roll, starting with the 6th grade. Mariah Atenta, Derek Herrera, Kyra Carrasco, Brooke Collins, Miles Crespo, Sebastian Fernandez, Dimitri Jenkins, Angelina Ramirez, Gabriel Hindenburg, Nefi Kelly, Artun Kasklo, Jakob Cook, Liam Lawson, Max McAlpine, Natalie Miller, Carlos Morales, Grace Panchut, Addison Patton, Sean Payne, Evelyn Priest, Micaiah Roberts, Ryder Stokes, Shania Supnet, Jacqueline Thomas, Rosalind Thomas, Dean Tubant, Joshua Vijar, Aiden Hawkins, and Jake Williams. Now for our 7th grade. Ava Alderson, Megan Becker, Junzi Bellinger, Antonio DePot, William Dexter, Maggie Elkema, Thomas Esposito, Eric Finley, Teddy Funston, Kevin Valencia, Taylor Garris, Emma Gastelum, Braxton Gutierrez, Kip Grader, Elizabeth Hall, Anthony Jaber, Hallie Jennings, Alexander Colmadine, Austin Keinenberg, Elijah Lane, Madison Lee, Jacob Leone, Nola Locke, Kevin Massacon, Isabel Magaha, Olive Morris, Allison Oliveira, Princess Jazzy Pantalone, Gracie Perry, Lexi Pollard, Gianna Porcelain, John Quinn, Gage Reynolds, Jose Rivera, Christian Rodriguez, Madison Shields, Tyson Smith, Arella Townsend, and Macy Wolf. Now for our 8th grade AB honor roll. Halani Ayers, Riley Brewington, Eli Carrasco, Kaliza Cruz, Julia Desjardins, Aurel Duran Sanchez, Alexander Jerry Karoff, Diego Gerrig, Tristan Gobble, Kaito Goodfellow, Jager Hoff, Jacob Humes, Juliana Innocente, Gracelyn Kelsey, Bree Lambert, Natalia Lopez, Brendan McCarthy, Liam Miguel, Benedict Morton, Joyce Macheca, Thomas Newman, Tara Perry, Everett Priest, Sophia Reed, Michaela Slack, Lorraine Sostra, Seren Sparling, Jaden Stokes, Luca Stuttgart, Javion Taylor, and Cara Vogelpool. And that completes our AB honor roll. Once again, congratulations on your hard work for quarter 2. We're looking for excellent work again for quarter 3. Thank you.
We thank you all, VMS staff, parents, and students. We applaud all of those 150 individuals who maintained the A and B honor roll and the All A honor roll in the 2nd quarter. Have a great day, Pumas.